Have you eaten your breakfast? Your merienda? Shh! Maldito ka ngayon ah. Maldito ka ngayon ah. Why my baby is maldito? Ikaw naman. Oh. Uy! The cleaner is very naughty, baby. Cheers, the cleaner. I like your eyes. Uy, I see one boy there. Oh. Uy. And the other was... oh, like your eyes. And the other one. Oh, oh the two boys, the best friends. Okay. I'm done here.